Prophet said, a Muslim is the one from his hand and from his tongue everyone is safe. If you are destroying humanity, you are not Muslim. And if you are giving peace to the world, you are a Muslim. Kapayapan. Salam. A Muslim is the one who gives the peace to the world by definition. And he is not a Muslim who destroy the world, who give the destruction to the world. He is not Muslim. Prophet said, like for you what yourself, like for your brother the same. This is Islam. What you like for yourself, like for your brother the same. What you want for yourself, you should want for your brother the same. Not that I like best, but from my brother nothing. Brother doesn't mean your real brother. Brother means all Muslim brothers and sisters. What you like for yourself, like for others. The people are giving the charity and they buy the worst kind of rice and they give in the way of Allah charity. Allah will not accept it. When you give charity, you give the best. What you like yourself or what we like for ourselves and our families, we should give the same rice to the poor people and not to the inferior rice, not to the inferior charities. So these are the beautiful teachings which can entitle us to enter to Islam. And when we enter to Islam, then we can all enter to paradise in the next life. And we can have a best life here in this world.